There is one organ which causes high blood pressure, and it's not what you think. And there are specific exercises you can use to target and fix your blood pressure easily. No diet, lifestyle changes, or medication required. Check the link in the description below, but for now, today's question.
The question: why does our blood pressure rise when we eat too much salt in our diet? Answer by David Wilcox. Blood pressure regulation, like everything else in the human body, is an interactive process involving a number of different factors. Sodium sensitivity varies widely from one individual to the next. Part of it is almost certainly genetic, since this seems to vary predictably from one ethnic or racial group to the next. Another part is nutritional. The body needs a specific electrolyte balance. The key players here are sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. An imbalance means higher sodium sensitivity. Another part of the picture is inflammation. There are way too many factors to list here involved in that, but there is a growing school of thought that the overall diet affects the colon microbiome and that has a pretty large effect on inflammation. It is difficult to make simple statements about the relationship between salt and blood pressure with any real accuracy. We need a lot better research aimed at understanding all of this interaction. For people who definitely are salt sensitive, it can be deadly. Hence the idea that we all should limit salt. Answer by Bob McCown. This is a pretty complicated problem, and not necessarily everybody will increase their blood pressure when they take too much salt in their diet. Some people are salt sensitive and some are not. Your body will retain water because you can't have salt crystals rolling around in your blood, or at least it would be very bad if you did. We have found empirically that reducing the amount of salt in the diet of many people who are salt sensitive will reduce their blood pressure. Answer by Michael McLennan. As Bob MC. Cowan wrote in his answer, this is not true for everyone. From a physiological point of view, your body needs to have a particular concentration of salt in your blood, not too much and not too little. If you get more salt into your bloodstream, then your body has two choices in order to keep the concentration from becoming excessive: either excrete more salt, or retain more water. Some bodies do more of the one, some more of the other. It depends on your particular genetics. Like so much in human physiology, if your body retains more water, then your blood volume will be greater. The walls of your blood vessels are elastic, and will expand slightly in order to accommodate the extra blood, just like a balloon when you blow it up. And just like a balloon, the bigger they get, the more pressure they put on what is inside them. So your blood pressure increases. In addition, your heart has to pump harder in order to move the extra blood volume, which also increases your blood pressure.